Hey, welcome to the Cavy house. My name is Jessica, and these are my guinea pigs. This is Trixie, Abby, Daisy, and Lily. And this is their home. It is a 2x5 attached by a 2x3. And no, they don't have hay right now, which is okay because I just cleaned up their cage, and they will get it. Don't worry. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I also do have a Facebook account. It's facebook.com/thecavyhouse. I also have an Instagram, but I don't really use it, but I will have the link below. So basically my channel is on guinea pig care, just random videos of my guinea pigs. I do have 3 hamsters, 2 dwarfs, and 1 Syrian, which I do some videos about. And I have 2 cats, which very occasionally pop up in a video. And I also do some random vlogs when I am bored, but there's not many considering how many videos I have up. I have been on YouTube for a couple of years now. And I have lots of videos if you want to go back and look at information about guinea pigs or anything else. So, welcome to the house of Cavies, and thanks for watching. Bye.